scared the shit out of me.
Alright, let's see. Let's get him out.
Oh, you're brave.
No, dude. He is stuck in there. Oh, come
He's
on.
trying to sting you too.
I need like a pair of pliers. Fuck. If I get stung on the finger, dude, I'm gonna be so mad.
Oh my god.
Stop.
Oh no, you just ripped his leg off.
Oh, now he's gonna be pissed off. Dude, how am I supposed to get him out of there? Oh, he's definitely mad. Oh, he's crawling in there. He don't want to come out. Oh, come on. Come on. Get out of there. Dude, if I'm gentle. Oh, God.
Oh,
That was his head.
it was his head.
Oh, I just ripped his head off.
Oh, now he's stinging like.
At least I know he's dead.
Yeah. They can still sting you that one.
Stinger going.
Yeah, it's going crazy.
Dude, that's nuts. I'm gonna leave the rest of them in there for Dad's.
me, I started like,